Big changes are coming for users of Microsoft's remote desktop app, as the company has officially announced that support will end on May 27th, 2025. After that date, the app will no longer be available for download or use, meaning anyone relying on it to connect to remote PCs, Windows 365, or Azure Virtual Desktop will need to transition to Microsoft's Windows app. But don't worry, this isn't just a forced migration. The Windows app, which has been around since September, offers a much better and more feature-packed experience. Microsoft highlights several improvements, including a streamlined interface for unified access to cloud PCs and virtual desktops, customizable home screens, multi-monitor support, and dynamic display resolutions. The app also enhances a remote work experience, with device redirection, Microsoft Teams optimization, and seamless account switching, making it a far superior tool for professionals and businesses. And here's the important part. After May 27, 2025, the remote desktop app will be completely blocked from connecting to Windows 365, Azure Virtual Desktop, and Microsoft DevBox. If you're still using remote desktop, now is the time to make the switch. The Windows app is not only more advanced, but also ensures that you remain connected to your virtual desktops without interruption. So, don't wait until the last minute. Download the Windows app today and get familiar with its new features and enhancements. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech news and updates. Thanks for watching TechVerse, your go-to source for all things tech.